What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm at FACTORY Phnom Penh for a fashion show. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without sea. Meet people, eat booze, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
So I'm at FACTORY Phnom Penh, which is it's kind of like a big outdoor event space, and it's where I was when I saw the professional boxing. That was in one of these areas here. I've been here for a food festival before, and today it's a fashion show, and my friend Alli has been hired to be the band that's going to play today too. So this event in particular, it's like they've renamed this little strip the Fashion Avenue, and so we're getting closer now, and there's a bunch of vendors, and it seems like it's all revolving around the theme of fashion. We'll check out what these people have for fashion here. Couple of food and drink vendors, as well as the fashion accessories. I think I found the catwalk, or the dog walk for the fashion show. Check this out.